My name is Kylla and I'm part of the JACCD Discover Your Passion program. I started making illustrations of dress designs and I showed them to my mom, and I wanted to learn how to sew and improve my illustration designs. So my mom searched for one of the best schools in Accra for me to learn, and she found JACCD. So JACCD has helped me start learning how to sew and of course helped improve my illustration skills. I think the program will prepare me because it teaches me bit by bit how to do the stitches, the different types of sewing techniques and everything you need to learn about sewing. So if you take your time and learn it, it will eventually become easy for you. The most exciting part is when I started learning how to do my straight stitches on a grey bath. I mean, it was fun because I'm now learning how to use the sewing machine. So when I started learning, it was difficult, but eventually I was able to get the straight stitches right. And it was such an exciting moment because that means I can get to start sewing with fabric. It has helped me discover my personal style by letting me know the type of body I have, whether hourglass or box shape. It has helped me know what style I can use to dress my type of body. I mean, I met amazing people there, and yes, we were all on our own at first, but we started getting to know each other and eventually we all became friends and started working together to help each other. The lectures are fun, they are not hard on us, they make it easy for us. They don't shout at us when we make little mistakes, they rather correct us. The building is very beautiful, it's very warm, it's friendly to learn, it's a nice environment. I recommend the program to all my friends and any other person who wants to learn how to sew out there because it helps you improve your sewing skills and teaches you how to learn different techniques. JACCD is exciting.